Hello, my name is Rafe McMahon and I'm the managing partner of McMahon Goldrick Solicitors. We have over 60 years of experience dealing with cases of a catastrophic nature. We act for individuals and families that have been affected by life-changing injuries, including spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury and birth injury, resulting in permanent disability. Our philosophy is that you, the client, need to concentrate on your recovery whilst your solicitor concentrates on your case. Throughout this video, we will be discussing the key factors to consider when choosing legal representation. When seeking legal representation, the choice of your solicitor is critically important. It is vital that you choose a solicitor that you can connect with and that has the appropriate level of expertise. To assist you in making the decision, you might consider the following aspects. In order to determine if the solicitor has experience dealing with cases that involve catastrophic injury, you should ask them for examples. If they don't have a sufficient amount of experience, their expertise may be limited. At McMahon Goldrick, we have been exclusively involved in dealing with catastrophic injuries since 2010. Have a look at the success stories on our website to learn a little bit more. It's important to find out if the solicitors have prior experience dealing with claims of high value. You can ask the solicitors about their caseload and if they have handled cases with values in excess of 2, 3 or 4 million euro. This is important in order to identify if the solicitor has the experience and ability to deal with cases of equivalent gravity. Here at McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we regularly deal with cases between 1 million and 20 million. It is important to identify if the solicitor has the key contacts to obtain reports to help you put your case together. Over the years at McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we have established professional connections with the top medics and expert witnesses who are involved with these cases and if they are necessary. You should identify what will happen in the case when the solicitor is away and if they have colleagues with similar experience who can deal with your case in their absence. The reason for this is that it is helpful to build up confidence and momentum quickly in any case. No case should ever come to a standstill. At McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we operate as a team, and it is the team that deals with your case, not just any one individual. Another aspect to consider is if they have attended a catastrophic injury training day, and when was that? This is a way for your solicitor to keep up to date with medical and legal developments, and that specifically relate to catastrophic injuries. At McMahon Goldrick, we regularly attend such continuing professional development events. Always discuss with your solicitor the options for rehab. Enabling you to access rehabilitation services is critical to you and your family. And in a case where there is little or no dispute in respect of liability, your solicitor might be able to locate appropriate case managers to coordinate your privately funded care regime. Although I should say that this is still voluntary in Ireland. Any success that McMahon Goldrick has had in this regard has been done so by way of voluntary contribution from the defendant's insurance company. It is important to note that you will need to be able to speak to your solicitor on a regular basis. At McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we will ask as to how you like to be communicated with. It is important that the solicitor communicates with you in a way that is the most convenient for you, be it by Zoom, email, telephone, or in person. Our preference here at McMahon Goldrick Solicitors is to ring the client and thereafter follow up with an email summarising the nature of the call. Here at McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we operate as a team, and therefore it will be a team of people who will look after your file. This helps to ensure that there is always somebody here in the office who will know about your case and be able to help you. Perhaps most importantly of all, you need to be able to trust your solicitor. Clients need to feel confident that their solicitor knows what they are doing and they understand the difficulties you are facing. If you encounter problems with your solicitor, do not be afraid to raise these problems with that solicitor, as they may be unaware of your frustrations. If you are unable to sort out the issues, or if you have lost faith in your solicitor, change solicitor. Catastrophic cases are too important not to do so. If such situations were to arise in McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we would immediately call the client to understand their frustrations. To date, we are pleased to say that we have not had to do that. When clients come to us, having changed their solicitor, we recognise that the file itself is in very good shape, but it really has not progressed any further down the line. At McMahon Goldrick Solicitors, we understand the importance of choosing the right legal representation that can have a significant impact on the outcome of a legal matter. It requires careful consideration of various factors, such as the solicitor's experience, expertise, communication skills, and most importantly, trust. It is important to take the time to do research to ensure that you are comfortable with their approach and indeed confident in their ability to represent you effectively. The solicitor-client relationship is a partnership, and you should feel comfortable and supported throughout that legal process. If you have any questions in relation to this topic or this video, please don't hesitate to contact McMahon Goldrick on 01 677 0044 or myself, Rafe McMahon, personally at rafe.mcmahon@rmcm.ie.